Hey guys, I'm Alexis, and this is sorry for the lighting. It's gonna be way better lighting like throughout the video, but right now it's just like I'm in traffic, so I decided to do my intro. But I'm gonna be doing a prom vlog. Usually they start like oh my god, the lighting's crazy. Usually they start like a couple days in advance, but okay, I'm gonna stop. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we're here. Matt. Vidao nails. Okay, so I'm at the alteration place. My dress is right here. And I'm going to see if they can put a slit in it. So the cleaners by my house was a no-go. They said it was gonna be about 70 or more. And my mom wants me to check other places out. So I'm gonna go check other places, and if I find one, I'll come back. I'm not gonna show you every single place, but if I find one. But she's doing it for less than $70. I'm gonna put her information right here, and she is the best, period. I'm honestly so happy. Okay, so this is her card. I know that's so unprofessional, but yeah, unprofessional, not the card, but me just like putting it in the camera and expecting you guys to read it. I also want you guys to see my acne right now. Yeah, that's gonna be gone in about a week. Hey guys, today is the 24th and 3 days until prom, and I guess I'll go over what I've gotten done so far. I've gotten my hair, and I'm not cutting my hair anymore. Sorry. And what did I get? Oh, I'm looking for shoes right now. So, yeah, these are the shoe options. Oh, and I picked up my dress from the altar place. So, yeah, I'll show you guys that later. So, hey guys, right now, let me try to get a good background. So, I was sick like all day yesterday. Well, I was sick yesterday, and I've been doing remedies all day to just like, I didn't go to school today so I can like get myself together before prom. Right now I feel pretty good, but I'm on medicine. But I just wanted to show you guys my hair that I got for my ponytail, which is what I'm going to be doing now. And this is one of the bundles. It's 22-inch Brazilian bundle. It's not super expensive because I'm literally going to use it one time and that's going to be it. But yeah, it's a packet, and got it from the beauty supply by the mall, Deerbrook Mall. And right now I'm about to go get my lashes done, which I need to curl them. Figured I need to curl them first. But yeah, about to go get my lashes done. And sorry for the towel, but just wanted to share that with you. And I'm also going to go and get my shoes for my dress, so I'm gonna bring that with me anyways. So wish me luck. Well, I mean, by the time you see this, it'll either be I'm sick or I'm not. So I hope I'm not sick tomorrow or on prom day, because I would be so sad. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to get rid of this illness now, take care of it now, so I don't have to be running, I have a running nose during prom because then I'm gonna have makeup and it'd just be a waste of money, you know? So wish me luck. Pray for me. And I'll see you at the eyelash place. Hi guys. I'm here with my sister.
Okay, I'm ready for you.
Okay. Hold on.
And then I'll come over there and do some more.
Okay.
You don't want to do the whole thing.
I'll just do from the beginning and I'll stop and wait till the end. Doing a prom vlog. guys. I just got from my lash appointment. I feel like I'm gonna fly away if I blink too fast. I'm saying they're still like fluffy and stuff. Anyways, yeah, it was I'm gonna put the lady who did my lashes in the description below because she did great. She's so nice, right, Shanice?
Absolutely.
She was just so nice and amazing, you know. And yeah, next thing I'm looking for is my shoes. I'm at the Woodlands Mall right now, so I'll tell you guys how that goes. And oh, look at my ass. Sorry. Hey guys, I just got home. I just saw Avengers Endgame. Don't want to ruin it for y'all. I just loved it so much. Anyways, so I have my dress, my shoes, my hair. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, so I'll be vlogging that. And I'll show you guys like the fit all together tomorrow. So yeah, prom is like it's 11:16. 19 hours and 42 minutes. I'm still sick. I'm gonna dope up tonight on some Theraflu. I'm gonna bring me some tea to school tomorrow so I can drink up on that. I just don't want to be sick, you know? Hey guys, I'm out now. My forehead's a little oily. Oh, why is this one always down? I'm gonna have to fix them. But I'm done. These are my nails. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Something slight. So yeah, I got my nails done. To prom is tomorrow. I can't believe it. It's coming so fast. See you next time.
Like you want to curse me out or something.
Did my makeup
Oh, yeah.
and my cousin did my hair.
That looks good.
Show me your shoes.
Oh, those are cute.
Wait. There we go. Sparkly. Point the toes.
Yeah, you gotta point them.